Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a new space on Clickup. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Clickup website, and after that we have to open our account. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on the create space. So let's click on the create space, and after clicking on this, now we have to provide the icon and the name. For example, I'm going to write here designer. So let's write the designer here. Now if you want to write the description, you can also do that. So I'm going to write the description here. As you can see, only you and invited members have access. So I'm going to choose this one. If you want to disable this, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on this. If you have to write the email address here also, that who can use this. So I'm going to click on the continue, and after clicking on the continue, as you can see now, we have to choose few options like the marketing team and the product and engineering. For example, project management, and default views are also provided here. Task status are also provided, planning in progress and all address updated required. So after that, simply we have to hit the create space, and after clicking on the create space, it will be generated. So as you can see now, it's generated and the new space is made. So in this way you can create a space on your Clickup account. These options are also provided here. You can edit them, you can change them. So see you guys in the next video.